Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kakanhun Jong Nongtrei nurse Jong Jylla ki bahapok Shatri Jong Meghalaya Government Nursing Service Association haka khatwai terik kalalangkot arjar khat khandai kilap long ye kajing yalang hapok Susatham Auditorium Shillong banjiet thamai ya ginong kit kam Jong seng baru ban ye kran ye tai haka bai dei bat kajing penya chakmat ya ki kam ba hakmat do Jong Nongtrei nurse ki bahapok Jylla Hagani kesngi gani ke kunhon kalapha ru ia ka dorkhas haringkat ki nyu tali ki jing Dawa na ka Sorkar Jylla batla IT show secretary jong katanat ka koit ka khia jong ka Sorkar Jylla u Pravin Bakshi u balalong kumu kongsan hagani ke jing yalang.
The people who spend the maximum time with patients are you, the nurses. The people who serve the patients more, night and day, in spite of their personal problems, difficulties, are you, the nurses. So a lot of the success of the health facilities, whatever we are doing in the health sector, is your responsibility. What you are able to do, we are also able to do. Therefore, there is need for more training. Therefore, there is need for more capacity building. Sometimes, you don't get an opportunity to talk to officers of the Government of India, but we do. They call us for meetings. We have video conferences. And they keep on saying this, that your backbone is the nursing staff. Their capacities have to be built. They are the ones who will deliver. They are the ones who will transform. They are the ones who should be trained, whether it is care about the infants, the newborn, the pregnant mothers, whether it is the care in case of trauma cases, whether it is all kinds of support for all these new programs of the government. There are 22 different programs of the government. And for all these, we need support from nurses. Also, we need support from ANMs. We need support from ASHAs. So that is what makes you stand out. And once you do your jobs dutifully, then you really take a great burden off the next line or the next hierarchy of healthcare, which is the doctors. And then further comes the specialists. So our state is facing a great deficit of specialist doctors. We have MOs in place, but that too also there is a deficit. So the people who are actually delivering, working very hard, getting things done are you. And therefore we extend to you our fullest support. We'll try our best to meet all the demands which you have raised. I cannot talk on behalf of the government, but at a personal level, definitely I can say this, that you deserve all the things that you have demanded. It is your right. And you have asked for those things. We will convey to the government, and we'll hope that there will be sympathetic consideration from the government. And we also feel that we need to support you further in various other things also. Many other government programs are there, many other initiatives are there. We need to support you through that also, so that at a level of job satisfaction, you all feel very happy and very satisfied at being what you are and doing what you do. So at the end of the day, perhaps this is what matters. If you do not like what you are doing, then it will reflect in your work. It will reflect in your demeanor, it will reflect in how you talk to people. It will also reflect in your family life also. On the other hand, if you are satisfied, if you are happy, if you feel you are doing a great job, if you feel that you are being taken care of, then it reflects in your style of functioning also. But all of you are doing very, very well. Our senior officers from Government of India, whenever they have come to our state, they have gone to Ganesh Das, they have gone to Civil Hospital, they have gone to Pomlun. We have these CRM teams. They are the people who come for the review, central review missions. They go to all parts of the state. They go to interior places in Garo Hills, West Khasi Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills, and they're amazed to see with what dedication our people are working. So we may be facing many difficulties. We are a small state. We have resource constraints. We don't have that much of fund flow from the central government. We have issues about HR, but also at the same time, we have that spirit, we have that resilience, we have that grit, we have that determination to do work, to do hard work. That is what makes us stand apart. That is why, it shows in the improved rankings.